Hey everyone, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews, and we're going to talk about a really neat product. Let's take a look.
Good morning. If you're an avid hunter, fisherman, or outdoorsy type person, or better yet, if your father is, because this is a great gift for Father's Day, then you're gonna love this review. It's a mountain hunter box, and it's designed to get people fired up about getting outdoors. So whether you're planning on going out west to go elk hunting, or you just hunt from your own area, there's bound to be something in the box for you. So the Mountain Hunter Box is a monthly subscription for serious hunters. The boxes are full of gear to help you on your next hunt. Each box contains at least $65 worth of gear from top mountain hunting brands, and no filler. You can also check out past boxes for examples. The box I got looks perfect for bear hunting, although some of these items are kind of universal. So here I've got some Tink's bear smoking sticks, honey bacon scented. It's kind of like incense used to attract bears. And I live in an area with bears, so the temptation to misuse these things is almost too much. But attracting bears to a residential area is a terrible idea, so I'm going to save these for the proper time of year and location. I've also got an Alaskan Cape salt bag. It's a salt storage bag. You can fit up to 15 pounds of salt in there, along with a game bag spray. So if you're way out in the field and need to preserve your catch, this is the kind of stuff you're going to need. Keep it safe from bugs and spoilage and microbes, etc. And finally, this is probably the most versatile item. It's a camouflage balaclava, a favorite of hunters and sometimes ninjas. This will keep you concealed and it helps to mask odor as well. Here I am trying to blend in with my houseplant. Can you see me? I thought I blended in pretty well considering. Not fooling the dog though. Or the cat, apparently. But in the hands of somebody that actually knows what they're doing, this mask can be quite effective. So that was just my box. They promise not to add items that are just filler and always things that you'll find useful. Anything from first aid to water filtration, meat processing and care, survival, camping gear, all that good stuff. Perfect for backcountry hunters, and as I mentioned before, a great Father's Day gift idea. So getting these boxes in the mail will hopefully give you a reason or two to just get out there and pursue your dream hunt, instead of just finding reasons not to go. Right now, they're offering a $10 discount off your first box with the coupon code WILD10, and we'll throw it up on screen there. And they now also ship to Canada, and nothing against the good old USA, but man, Canada has some good quality hunting and fishing. So there you go. If you're an avid hunter or outdoorsman, this is like Christmas every month. So check out the links below, you can subscribe, and you can also check out their past boxes if you missed something. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy hunting.
Thanks again for watching 911 Reviews. If you watch this far into the video, click that subscribe button now. We have an Amazon link for the products below. And also, if you would like us to review one of your products, email us at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.